And as we move on the text here, oh, this version is missing the episode, so I'll just hold it here. So the text, as we look at it, okay, right here, we'll see that it is presented in episode, not it's presented in episodes. So there's roughly 35 episodes, not chapters, but episodes. It's rendered in poetic form, as we see here on the first page on the right, and so it's what we saw in Gilgamesh, this poetic form, which is highly metaphorical, and there will be because it is an oral text, there will be gaps, digressions, a lot of other things that are going on that are associated with oral retellings of stories, so that we don't often see in textual constructions because they cut all that out. And just one more thing to add here, as we see on the right hand side here. So this is what the griot is presenting, what he's performing, okay? And then on the right-hand side, we see in parentheses these words in Maninka, right, which is the language that this was originally performed in. So two things here. So these words in parentheses represent the other parts of the performance. So there are people in the audience or people on stage, right, that are responding to what the griot is saying. And you can see it happens again and again. Sometimes it's a one word or a short word phrase. Sometimes it's a little longer, right? But it's a basic type of interjection, intervention, call and response type mechanism where there is a type of dialogue going on between the performer, the griot, and the audience, right? So it's creating a type of symphonic, dialogic, sort of symphonic type effect. This choral effect that has not so much a soundtracking aspect, but more of a symphonic sort of jazz-like aspect to it. And so that's what those words on the right are. So they are just reminding us that there is a response going on all the time as the griot is speaking. And also, so the words, we see that words will be used here which are from the original language. So that's a translation strategy.